Hi guys, welcome to Comandante. One question we get asked a lot is where to find click 0. So we're talking about the grind setting here. Why is it important to have click 0? So when you're making your coffee and you make that perfect cup of coffee, you want to recreate that. And you want to choose the grind setting you need to dial in the coffee perfectly. So that's why we need to have numbers, a way of measuring it, and 0 is our starting point. So 0 is simply closing the burr. But to be more specific, for me, it's the first point when you close the burr where you see that the handle stops falling. So we're not forcing the burrs closed, we're just closing the burrs enough so that the handle doesn't fall. So you can see it's still falling a bit here, so that would be click 1. If I shut the burr 1 click finer, now we're definitely not moving. So for me, that's my perfect reference point. And if someone tells you, hey, try this coffee, 20 grams in, you want to go to 10 clicks for the espresso, 10 clicks is then 10 clicks open from point 0. So if I open the burr from here, I'm going anti-clockwise, then it's simply a case of counting. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now I know my grinder is set to click 10, or 10 clicks, and that 10 clicks is going to be the same today, it's going to be the same in 2 years, it'll be the same as last year. That's why we have this completely repeatable click system, so that you can trust your grinder to give you the grind size you want. So for your V60, it's like 25 clicks, your 25 is your 25. With the 12 points on the burr, if I hold the dial whilst turning the handle like this, one full rotation is 12 clicks, meaning another one is 24, 25, which would be a good starting point for a V60. I hope that helped, and happy grinding. Enjoy your coffee.